Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by importing the exact video into your editor and matching project settings to avoid rescaling artifacts. Once done, examine where the letters appear, burned into pixels, soft subtitles, or overlay graphics. Make a quick duplicate of the clip so you can work non-destructively, and create a mask or select the caption layer if it exists. If there's a subtitle track, disable it first to check if letters are embedded. This first actionable step prevents wasted effort later and preserves the original file. Next, choose the best removal method. Paint out small static letters with clone or stamp, use content-aware fill or inpainting for textured backgrounds, or run an AI-based text removal for complex scenes. Make a motion-tracked mask if the letters move with the camera or subject. This keeps corrections aligned across frames. Adjust feather and opacity so the repair blends. When frames have motion blur, work several frames together to avoid popping. Save incremental versions so you can revert if a technique fails. Finally, refine the repaired area with subtle grading and temporal smoothing to reduce flicker, then render short test clips at full bitrate to inspect for artifacts. Once satisfied, export using original codec settings to preserve quality. If you still see remnants, go back and manually paint problem frames or use a different in-paint algorithm. Sometimes recapturing or sourcing cleaner footage is fastest. One troubleshooting tip: if repairs shift or jitter, check and correct the motion track or convert to a stabilized reference before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.